Okay, so for today's video, we're going to be making a custom saw blade holder. I currently have them hanging on a nail on a cabinet behind me right there, and I plan on making, a tiered kind of holder that will go right there on that wall behind me. And I've already gone ahead and made up some of the parts, but right now I'm going to show you the next part where I cut the slots for the blades. So as you can see, I've gone ahead and already marked out the layout for the slots for the blades. They're about an inch apart. There'll be about 10 of them. I currently have 12 on there. I might go with 8, see what fits perfectly. I have to mount that to this, which will go on the wall. So this will basically be, like this on there, and it'll be slotted for the blades like that, where I'll have a shelf at the top right there, which I mount. I put other things on top of there. So at this point, I'm ready to go to the drill press. I'm going to drill holes in here, and then I can draw my secondary line, which will then be cut on the bandsaw, and it'll be ready to go. I used double stick tape to hold these two pieces together so I can cut them exactly at the same at the same time. It just saves a little bit of headache. This is a real common layout or project that's been on YouTube many times, so I'm just copying it from others. It's not something I fabbed up myself, so it's pretty common out there. So okay, follow along. Okay, so we're over at the bandsaw now, and I'm going to cut out the slots for the blades. Okay, so after having cut the pieces on the bandsaw, the two sides, I went ahead and put the piece together simply because it's just not anything complicated and really wasn't worth recording it. So I will now show you what the piece looks like assembled and explain how I put it together. Okay, so here is the assembled saw blade rack with a shelf on the top and some storage areas on either side. You can see the two sides that I cut out on the bandsaw for the slots for the blades. And at the bottom is just a piece that holds the two sides together with a backer. Everything is screwed from the back and the bottom. So that I can, attach it to the wall. You can see how I screwed the other spacer in between to keep it together, and the shelf is screwed in from the top as well. And so it's really simple, and it works pretty well. So now I'm going to put it together, and I'll show you what it looks like finished. Okay, so here is the finished saw blade holder, and I've put everything back on it, and you can see how it fits 12-inch blades, 10-inch. It's great at accommodating any size blade that you want. You can modify it too to put smaller blades just by putting the two sides closer together. I keep my dado set on top, also my throat plates and push stick, and the wrench for the machine, and a T-square. If anybody would like measurements for this, if you would like to know what the dimensions are on it, I can send that to you. Just leave a comment, and I'll get that out to you. All right. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.